Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hennen kasngi ka katsan tarik unai lor, ka Rotary Club of Orchid City Shillong. Kala Leit ban IT no ya ka Jaka Leit Shabar, ka bala penchna da kani kaseng na ka banta ki kena ki bapule hapain maun Skul Shillong. Ya kani ka Jaka Leit Shabar la bay pisa ban penchna da kani kaseng, bat na lor kani la penchna ru ya ki Jaka thatkti ni ki wash basin, bat ka jinglot na ka banta bantai kini ki artri ki jingdong kam jong ki kena kani ka Skul, ka kot kumbah nyolak tengkai ai. Haden balada play ya kini ki artli ki jingdon kam ba khmat jong ki kena jong kani ka Skul. Lapan board part sa kejelang hakaba lapan ko buram karpang ru ya ka principal jong kani ka Skul ikong ek dingdo nang ta ya ka vice principal ikong w dekhar bala ai khusnam ru sa ka wei ni kino hikai jong kani ka Skul ikong refimia di lalu kabala IT nadu mense man chakri hakaban penang pestat iki kena ki bon pulih hakani ka Skul. Bad ya kani ka khusnam na tip kum ka Nation Builder Award. Hadin balayo jingkran na ki arngot ki khot jong ka Rotary Club of Orchid City bagan thop ya ka Krishna Das Gupta bad ka Kaveri Borthakur hakani ka jelang la samru ki khusnam ki kena ki bala job hakajin ko tho ese ki bala palong haki khendat singi balala.
We share the responsibility, we celebrate the responsibility, and today is the time to celebrate the responsibility which was given to us by respected principal of Pine Mountain School.
But first of all, I would like to thank God for the gift of teaching which He has given me. I love to teach. I love my children, and I love all the teachers. I would also thank the Rotary Club of Orchid City Shillong for honoring me. I really don't know whether I deserve this or not. And I don't know who judged me on this. And I don't know what is the criteria, but I just feel honored. I feel so proud being a teacher. And this moment is really a big joy to me. It's a big joy after my 22 years of service, which I have just completed in the first week of this month. It's a big joy because all my efforts has been acknowledged today. I'm so happy and overjoyed. Thank you, Rotary Club, Orchid. Thank you, our beloved principal. I think she's the one who judged. I don't know. I don't know. Okay.
It's marked by the students.
Okay, thank you so much. And I promise that I will keep this award, the Nation Builder Award, as long as I live.
Hadin ka jelang pan komsi benta ka jingkersan ya ka Swachh Bharat Mission ka thong banwara ya ka jingkho jingsuba hagisnong gi thaw hakalangkari India hagani ka sngi la palongru ya ka jingpur kho pajba ya ka saudong saukon jong ka Skul Pine Maun hagabalai shimenta shetam dagi khna jong ka Skul konthop ya kino hikai bat kit khot jong ka Rotary Club of Orchid City.